Hello, hello, hello. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi, and this video is all about AD, what it has to offer. If you have taken AD or you're going to take AD in this year or maybe coming up year, I don't know. Here are a few things that I, as a AD student now in third year, have has learned. This is just a small little brief of what you're being taught, what is going to happen in AD, what to expect. I have a first-hand experience of this. There are more departments that, but since I'm a AD student, I have a first-hand experience on this. So let's get into it. First of all, if you've not done your first year yet, so in your first year you will be taught foundation program. Sure, that is basically very basic stuff that is same for all the design departments. Basically, the whole concept of foundation program, according to me, is to give you a more designer's perspective on things. In fact, this entire 4 years degree, and this applies to every designing department, is to make you understand that what you do as a designer. Okay, that as a designer, what can you either add to the society or take from the society and solve it. Designing is basically problem solving, and that's something जो आपको first year में सिखाया जाएगा. Foundation program is completely like common for all, and it's not really hard. It is a lot of gadha majdoori, like it's a lot of hard work, but it's not something that's very hard to crack through. So you can chill with that. You are not expected to have really high like standards for yourself. You're just learning. It's just your first year. Cut yourself some slack, because first year is literally the worst year of any student from what I know, because it's always so much work, such dumpster fire energy, to be honest. Also, like, ignore my background. We are packing. I'm leaving for home in a few days. We just finished our second year. I'm going into third year this year. There are three types of broader designs. I would say functional, conceptual, aesthetic. So you will learn about all of them, obviously, and then as a designer, whatever product, like whatever you want to choose, you can. I usually lean towards functional or aesthetics myself. Concepts I have not tried yet, but it's just second year. I have 2 more years to try that. Mainly, what you'll do is explore materials. In first year, you learn material handling basically, and then when you niche down to your design, that is second year. For me, that's accessory. They teach you basics like wood, metal, plastics, and if you're coming to Jodhpur, you have a very amazing faculty for materials, Vijender sir. He can help you explore whatever material that you like. And the best thing with AD is there is no foundation to a certain material or say a type of accessory. Accessories can be anything. I have worked with cloth, I have worked with metal, I have worked with wood. I am about to work with plastic and pottery and all of that. So when it comes to AD, you're mostly doing is material exploration in your UG years, and trying to learn as a designer how to work with the design process, because there's a certain process to designing, obviously, as it हर चीज में एक process होती है. तो mainly what they're trying to do is teach you the process, and when even जब तुम्हारी jury होगी, what they'll mark you according to is, I think, as a product will hold like maybe 10 or 20% of the value. What they really want to see is the process of how you got there. Especially, I mean, that's what happened in second year. Maybe things change. I'll update you on that in the end of third year. But for now, that's the vibe. तो तुम्हारा काम बेसिकली ऐसा है कि तुमको अपनी प्रोसेस समझानी, अपना प्रोडक्ट का एक रीजन देना कि ओ व्हाई इज दिस प्रोडक्ट अ सर्टेन वे. So you will explore, experiment, and learn design processes. You explore a lot of ideas and materials. Mostly, like, what I mean by ideas and materials is that in AD, if you want to, or if you have the brains to, you can even make your own material. Like, there is no such foundation. Like leather make foundation ho sakti hai, knitwear make foundation ho sakti hai. Accessory is open, literally open for all types of explorations. So you learn about the materials and the methods that are used. जैसे casting समझ लो, welding समझ लो. अगर तुमको अभी ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है, that's fine. They'll teach you in second year. You are good. But you're taught a lot of different ways of forming things, of joining things. This is all I just remember from my studies. I am not referring to any specific thing. I did go into NIFT and find their curriculum and prospectus, and that's I'm referring to that, but also from my personal opinion. Okay. So and then you have, I mean, NIFT has a amazing this for crafts. We as a government college have tied up with government multiple times, and I think we still do, I'm not sure. And we explore different crafts that are probably dying or crafts that need a boost. We learned a lot of crafts this in the past 2 years, and I'm going to learn a craft in about 2 or 3 days in Jaipur. So you learn a lot about different crafts. You learn a lot about how the craft industry is going, handicrafts industry, and how as a designer you can revive the craft industry, because as an Indian designer it's in your hand to do that. It's a lot of responsibility, yes, but you are also the future of India, so think about that. Then you get your deepening in your fourth sem, so that is where you learn whatever you're more interested in. I personally chose bag and accessories, so you can get like jewelry. I can personally go with jewelry and bags in this subject. There is also interior, there is also UI UX. So you get into this and then you explore more about your niche. I personally have no interest in furniture or interior storage spaces. So yeah, to each their own. There the your teachers will explain the concept of deepening to you. Your teachers will guide you. Otherwise, I am probably thinking of making a video about it, which I will. Social context जो होता है, like basically there are first year subjects like self and society, critical thinking skills and all that, where you are taught that if you come across a problem that you as a designer wish to solve, how will you solve that? And that is a concept that comes from first to eighth semester with you, from what I know. There are multiple things, obviously there are multiple layers to understanding of society, since society changes, human change, all of that. So that is a very big part of your entire design degree, because it's a bachelor's in design. You're not specifically born to a certain department. You can learn about anything, but as a designer, your biggest essence as a designer is to empathize, to learn, to understand people's problem and find a viable solution to it. And at the end, you are also taught, as I said, how you are taught to show your process, because I feel like when you are doing things by the process, there are multiple points जहाँ तुमको एक check भी मिल जाता है कि maybe this product might not come out as I like, or maybe this might not be viable at all, या ये बने ही ना. So for that, there is design process and multiple subjects that are about design process, where they teach you rendering, mood boards, aesthetics, trims, prototypes. So all in all, if I'm gonna sum up, all you learn in this bachelor's design degree, and this is also a generalization of the entire degree, but also specific to AD, is materials. How to What you learn is exploring materials, and in AD there is no bound to any certain fabric or structure that you can stick to. You can explore as much as you like, and I'm so happy for that, because I personally am not into metal or wood. I would like to explore other options. So there is you exploring materials, experimenting with materials. There are multiple subjects that give you an opportunity to experiment with whatever material that you like. Then you have ideations, explorations, learning how to think like a designer, how to empathize with your society and your client. And you will also understand how to, again, a social context of a designer. What is your point in the society? What's your social place in the society? I feel like you learn that quite often. And at the end, to show your design process, because hopefully, when you grow up and you become a proper designer, your clients would want to know why you did something and what's the reason behind it. So yeah, that's about it. That's what you learn in AD. अगर subject specific तुमको देखना है, तो you will start your AD journey in semester 3. I already have a video uploaded about that. You can check it, it's in my description. I'll link it. So that is about it. ज़्यादा डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. It's not at all scary. It's just very fascinating, and you have to keep your mind open and also understand that you are just a student, and you're not expected to know everything or not expected to learn everything that is thrown your way. Sometimes it takes much longer for things to seep in. That I almost threw my tab across the room. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I hope you found this information useful in some matter in some way. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you know every time I'm posting. Bye bye.